Rolling! Buguang day boy, sulod na ba?
Rolling na, oy, nonsense.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Alright, how are you today?
We're fine, thank you.
So, before we start our lesson, may I request everyone to please stand? And I want Kevin to lead the prayer.
Dapat kami nga ng mga buluhaton or distributor coming weeks ago. And of course nga siguro kami mo sa tanang sigata sa suwat sa una dito. Sa mo ang tara.
Okay, so you can now take your seat. So, today we will be exploring how to recognize the stressed and unstressed words. So, first, I will be going to explain what is the stress and unstressed. Alright, so for us to be able to recognize what are the stress and unstressed words, so here the stress is longer, so meaning kanang ma-emphasize kayo siya diri ang stress o ang unstressed kay less emphasize. Ang pagpronounce sa stress nga kuan syllables is longer, louder, and higher pitch. Ang unstressed is shorter, quieter, and lower pitch. So now I will give you some examples, and you will going to para sa example din kita pa man. So for example is the word banana. So there are 3 syllables in the word banana. So first is ba, na, and na. So the stress word here is here, na. In the second syllable. So the pronunciation will be banana. So the higher pitch is here. So from lower ba and ba, then na and na. So yes. So that is our example. And another one is, so ang pagpronounce na niya is ano siya? Ba na. So kung marami to siya karang banana. So ano siya? Then another example is one, everybody read.
Remember.
So how many syllables are there in the word remember?
There are 3 syllables.
So the first syllable is re, and then mem, and then ber. So where do you think the stress word here? The stress syllable rather. Alright, so the stress word is in the second syllable. So it would the pronunciation will be remember. So repeat after me. Remember. Alright. So the unstressed word is re and ber. Another example. Apple. Everybody read. Apple. So how many syllables are there? There are two syllables. Alright, so the where is the stress words? Stress. Apple. Alright, so the stress is in the first syllable and this one is the unstressed syllable. So now I want you to identify where is the stressed and unstressed word, a syllable in these words. So first we have here alright, so I want you to answer this one. So who will do first? Okay, so Chara, you will be the number one, and then Kevin number two, and so on. So let's try. Alright, so very good. So let's give a hand for Charmaine. Yay! So the stress syllable here is in the first syllable. So walk. And there watermelon. So watermelon. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 syllables in the word watermelon. Alright, so these are the unstressed word, the syllables. Then next, Kevin. Alright, so the stressed here is in the first syllable, and then this is the unstressed syllable. Then next, very good. So tomorrow. So repeat after me. Tomorrow. Repeat after me. Tomorrow. Alright, so there are 3 syllables. Two, more, and row. So the more here is the stress, and then the two and row are the unstressed. So next is happy. Alright. So let's give a hand for Miss Elmar. So there are 2 syllables in the word happy. So this is the stress and this is the unstressed. So now, since you already know what are the stress and unstressed words, let's move on to the activity. I will play a record. Then you're going to listen carefully for you to be able to identify where are the stress and unstressed words. And then after that, after you're going to identify, you will write here. You will write here in this paper the stress and unstressed word, and then paste it here. Gets? You're going to write the stress and unstressed word here in this paper, and then you're going to place it here. After we're going to play the voice, the recording. I will. So first we have here. Alright, so this is the first word. And then, so you will answer the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then, listen carefully, Charame, for you to be able to identify where is the stress and unstress. Okay? Again. Right, so next is okay, so I will give you time to answer. Number 2 is wonder. So are you done writing your answer? Okay, so take count time. Alright, so the next word is wonder. So, Kevin, listen carefully for you to be able to identify. Alright, so we now answer. And then next is country. So, listen, Diala. Listen. Alright, so you now write your answer. And the next is the word safety. Alright, so take your time to answer. So are you done? Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so Miss Chara, you may go first. answers. So here. Alright, so ayun ka na ba mag-check sa inyo? Even you'll go. It's your turn.
Sorry. Let's come.
Alright, so let's check your answer. So the stress and unstressed. So the word beauty, there how many syllables are there?
2.
And the stress word is you. The stress unstressed is T. So beauty. Again.
Beauty.
Alright, so you got correct answer, Miss Chara. And then next is wonder. So the stress syllable here is one, and then unstressed is there. So there are two syllables. Yes, two syllables, and then let's pronounce it. Repeat after me. Wonder.
Wonder.
Alright, so you got the correct answers. And then country. So there are two syllables again, and then the first syllable, the stress syllable is con, and then unstressed is tree. So country.
Country.
Last is safety. Safety. So the stress is safe, and then the unstressed is T. Safety.
Safety.
So there are two syllables in the word safety. So I think since you all got the correct answer, so let's clap your hands together. So I think that would be all. Then I hope you understood or gained more knowledge for today. So I think yes, that would be all. So but before we're going to end this discussion, I request everyone to please stand and let's pray for the closing prayer. And I want Miss Silmar to lead the prayer. Alright, so thank you so much for your cooperation, and that would be all. So hope you gain more knowledge for today. So thank you.
Thank you kasi.